Good morning, scholars.
Good morning, Mr.
Thank you. Thank you. How's it right there today? Thumbs up, thumbs middle, thumbs down. Be honest. Be honest. Be honest. Okay, who wants to do something? Who wants to do something different today? Different. Okay, cool. So here's what we're gonna do, guys. I want to know what your favorite songs are. You guys are gonna get together as classes, right? And you're gonna tell your teachers your like 3 to 5 favorite songs. You guys are gonna talk about it as a class with your teacher, okay? But do this calmly, okay? Okay? Do it very calmly. But tell your teachers what your favorite songs to sing in chapel are. Songs about God and the songs that we sing in chapel. This is a real group participation thing, guys, so help us all out. Okay, goodbye yesterday. Lord's Army. First graders. What is it?
What a beautiful name it is.
What a beautiful name. Let's sing it. What a beautiful name it is. Okay, everyone's singing Amazing Grace. Here we go. Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound that saved. Sing it out, guys. Beautiful. Amen. Okay, you guys can have a seat.